This 2012 Aston Martin Virage is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Aston Martin Virage Volante Bang & Olufsen sound system, navigation system, front parking sensors, rear parking sensors, piano black fascia trim, xenon headlights with power washers, memory seats and mirrors, 20 and quad alloy wheels, 5.9 lb, 12 engine, 6-speed automatic transmission, keyless entry, cruise control, adjustable steering wheel, power windows, power door locks, black exterior, cream leather interior, black convertible soft top floor mats. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detail. Walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2012 Aston Martin Virage Volante is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.